nowadays we have what we call the electronic books or online books and the paper books. Which one do you like more? Paper book or e-book?
Okay, my preferred reading is paper books because it helps me focus better.
Okay, I see. Okay. Now, what kind of school trips do you go on with your school?
Mm, is go is Hawaii because and I go to Hawaii with I went to Hawaii with my school.
Okay. What's with Halloween? I mean, what's special in Halloween?
In Hawaii, I can eat seafood. I can fishing
You can go fishing. Okay.
and I can play with my friends.
Okay, I see. So, well, Halloween is a really nice place and it is fun to go there. Okay. So, do you come from a big or a small family?
I come from a big family.
How many people are there in the family?
There are 6 people.
Okay, I see.
There are my mom,
Okay.
my dad, grandmother, my grandfather, me, and my sister.
Sister, older sister or younger sister?
Younger sister.
Younger sister. Okay, I see. Now, in this part, I have here 4 different TV program. Now, your family is going to spend this weekend watching TV together. So, I want you to choose one or the most suitable TV program for you and your family.
My family is going to spend Zootopia because I think Zootopia is suitable for everyone.
Okay, it's suitable for everyone. Okay?
Yes, and I really like Zootopia because Zootopia is a film. There are people are friendly and is uh, excited.
Okay, it's very exciting. Okay, I see. Well, this one, what can you say about this program? This is all about football games, right?
Yes.
Okay. This one,
This
news. Okay, and this one is all
the
about
music talent.
music talent, dance talent. I think this is very general. So, yeah, you're gonna watch Zootopia instead of Mystery. Okay, I see. Very good. Now, in this part, you're gonna tell me about your ideal school, or for you, what is the ideal school? Okay, go ahead.
Okay. My ideal school is city and it looks like very beautiful and people in here are friendly.
Okay, I see. What time do the classes start and finish?
My ideal school is started at 8 a.m. and finish at 5 p.m.
Okay.
There are
Do you want it to be a big school or just a small school?
a small school
Okay.
and there are 10 rooms
Okay.
and
Just 10 rooms.
and example school that
What are the things or the facilities you wanted to have? You wanted to have like a lot of laboratories. Do you want to have computers? What are the things you want in your school?
okay and expensive there are math rooms,
Okay.
history rooms,
Mhm.
and many.
Okay, and many more. Okay.
And students in a school have to study
You want them to be safe, right? So we make sure that there is a safety and security for all the students. Okay, we want them to be safe all the times, right? Mhm.
Students don't have to don't have to I can don't have to no go home after school.
Oh, okay, I see. You don't want them to go home after school? Or you don't want them to to have extra classes after school?
Students don't have to not go home after school because students have to go home and at home after school.
Okay, to be at home after school. Okay, so you don't want them to have extra classes or to extend time at school because you want the students to be at home after all the classes, right? Okay, I see. What a good idea. Okay, now how about the teachers? What do you want them to be? I mean, what teachers do you want in your
They
school?
are managing